What's the meaning of amphibian? Amphibian. 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 Amphibian.
Amphibian is a term used to describe a class of animals that can live both on land and in water. These animals are typically characterized by their ability to breathe through their skin or specialized lungs, and their dependency on water for reproduction. This class includes well-known animals such as frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders. Amphibians play an important role in many ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey. However, many species of amphibians are currently threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, climate change, and disease.